we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel, looking for any curb rash. Wheel looks good. I don't see any imperfections that stand out. That caliper color looks really good as well. Now looking at the paint, it's going to be hard to see in camera most likely, but a lot of the hard edges, and like here on the mirror, well, you can see that. They're kind of hazy. I believe this car had a car cover on it because it's on all those hard lines, and it must have kind of rubbed on it because all of that is really hazy. Like it rubbed the paint. I don't know if that can be paint corrected and polished back, but you're gonna see it on these hard lines. So I'm not gonna go over all of those, but just so you can see, it's on most of those little corners. Fender looks good. A-pillar looks really nice. I see one little rock chip right there. The rest of that looks good. Couple little scuffs. The edge of that's nice. You can see the rub through on the edge here. Lower rocker looks good. You can see a little bit on that edge. That looks good. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the front end here on the nose, you can see that's kind of rubbed through and it's hazy. You see some light scratches or little scuffs across the hood there. Some hard water spots. I don't see any other damage though. Little rock impacts every once in a while, a couple rock chips. Kind of your typical stuff. Otherwise looks good. See a larger chip here, and I see some minor rash on this splitter. You can see some of it kind of frayed. I think once you kind of peel some of that off, roll it back, it'll look really good. Little rash here. Other than that, looks good. All of this is in great condition. The plastic looks amazing. All right, checking out the driver's side. Looking at the fender. Overall looks good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. You do have some rock chips here, and then you can see the kind of rub through on that paint versus that. Looking at the A-pillar, see some light scuffs. A couple scuffs here, I think from that car cover most likely, if that's what this is, and that's what it looks like. You can see it right here as well. Kind of hazy, and then goes away. Lower section looks good. Little spot here. And then you're going to see it on that body line as well, all the way down. Zero curb rash on that wheel. Besides that, this side looks good. Right, looking at the back, the first thing you're going to notice, got the massive exhaust tips here, the AWE, kind of a black chrome effect. They look really good. Looking at the spoiler, overall in great condition. Glass looks amazing. Engine looks awesome from here. Taillight looks nice. And looking at the exhaust tips here, you can see there's a pretty good gap here from that body panel. That one's close. It doesn't look like it's touching, but it's very, very close. Looking under here, all of that looks good. And coming on this side, there's a good gap on this one. That one's close. Really can't tell if it's touching or not, but overall this looks really nice back here. And looking back here, all of that's in great condition. No complaints there. Engine bay looks good. That red really pops. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and this color combo is killer. This looks really good. I love the red accents with all the brushed. That door panel is absolutely perfect. Looking at the trim, that's in good condition. That bolster looks amazing. You do have a little chip right there on the piping. But the rest of that bolster looks good. The seat back looks nice. All that bottom looks really good. Red stripe, red stitching, all of that looks good. Steering wheel has that nice matte finish to it. All of this looks good. All that leather solid, nice and clean. All of this looks really good. There's not much to complain in here. It is very, very nice. Here on the passenger door panel, all of this is in great condition. Bottom side looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Got the memory seating. Looking at the trim, you do have some little scuffs. That bolster is perfect. I'm not seeing any wear there. Seat back looks good. See a little marking right there. That looks good. All of that's perfect. Glove box looks amazing. And then you can look back here. All of that looks good.